Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I thought it'd be fun to do a little bit of a challenge where we design a website page only using the pre-built sections that the editor has to offer. So if I click the sections option here we'll have a bunch of different design sections that we can use for our websites. And I thought it would be fun to just create a website strictly using this content. I can edit them however I want, but we kind of have to use these as a starting point. So the first thing that I would want to do is kind of choose a topic or something for a website, right? Maybe this is a financial firm, or maybe we can just design like an agency website. So let's just go with that. Let's just design an agency website. So first, let's just start off with this one right here. I think this one looks pretty nice. I will say with headers, typically you want some sort of visual. So it can be up here in the main header, or it can be right underneath. It just kind of has to be above the fold, or in other words, before you scroll down. So let's add a visual underneath it. So let's go to add section. Let's go to basic, and we'll just choose like this image right here. Or I guess it's not an image, it's a video. And I want it to be underneath, something like that. And maybe we can make this a bit bigger. We'll make it like 80 pixels or 800 pixels, something like that. I think looks really nice. Perfect. And kind of what I want to do first is kind of just build the layout first, and then we can go back and tweak it. So we have the header done, or the hero section, I should say. Then what would be the next best thing? Maybe we can get some sort of social proof. So maybe that would be in lists. Something like this would look really nice. So let's actually drag this one out just like that. Perfect. So now we have social proof. The next thing we might want is maybe an about section. So let's go ahead and grab one of these. I'm not liking those, but maybe we can come over here to basic text. We can choose one of these. I like this one right here. So we'll drag this one out. Perfect. Then we can have a list of services. So we can either come down to list here and check out which options we have. I do like this one right here, but let's actually come over to the services and see what options they have here. I think my favorite one has to be this one. So let's just add this here, even though it's in the wrong order. And we'll send this one down, and we'll send it down again. Perfect. So after we have our services, I think it would be wise to have maybe some sort of section for, let's say, maybe testimonials or even clients. Yeah, let's do clients. I think that look nice. We can either go with this one. I actually like this one, but this one kind of matches the section down here. So let me add this one. And we want this below the services. Okay, now I feel like there's a lot of white and very little imagery, I guess. So let's add another image. So we'll do basic, and we can choose an image. Okay, and then last but not least, we probably want some sort of contact form, or no, let's actually do testimonials. So let's actually grab this one right here. We'll put this one on the page, and this one can take the place of this section right here. Perfect. Okay, and now we can go ahead and add like a contact form. So we'll do contact. And we can honestly choose any of these. I personally, maybe we can come down here to form and check out what options we have here. I like this one, so we'll do this one. Okay, so if we just preview the website for as of now, here is going to be our website. It looks pretty clean already, but there's still a lot of tidying up that we can do here. Firstly, I'm not a big fan of this gray right here and right here. So we can either turn these to black, or we can turn them to white. So maybe for this top section, we just convert this over to black. So we'll do black, and then let's grab the text elements here and make these white. And maybe for this paragraph text right here, we can actually make this one like a light gray, something like that, or maybe even a little bit darker. Perfect. For this button, I do like this blue, but maybe we can add a little something else to it. Firstly, let's round the edges. Maybe this color is a little too blue, so maybe we can choose something like this color right here. I think this one looks really nice. On hover, we can choose the dark blue, and we'll keep the text white. For this image right here, I kind of would prefer this video be in a strip actually. So let's actually kind of cheating the challenge a little bit. Let's add this strip here into this section, and let's select the section itself, and we're going to change this to a black color. We'll make this 800 pixels. We'll bring it up to the top. And then what I want to do is bring it in just a little bit. Something right about 80 pixels. I think that looks nice. And let's change the video. Let's change it to something like this. So now if we just preview the website, here's what we'll have. I think that looks nice. For this section, let's go ahead and convert this to black here as well. For these large numbers, let's convert these, or let's change these to the nice blue color. For these paragraphs here, let's make this dark gray. And then for the header or the heading text, let's make it white. And just for fun, I'm going to call this one social proof. Underneath that, I do kind of like it transitioning to like a white background. It kind of helps separate the website so it's not all the same color. However, what we can do is maybe this text can have some of the words be the blue. Something like that. And then this text can be the dark gray. Then we keep going. I'm not really a huge fan of everything not lining up together. So like you can see how this one is split. And then the next section looks a little weird how it's kind of separated. What I would like to do is let's go ahead and move these down real quick. Let's add an empty strip in here. We'll remove the background color. Then inside of this strip, let's add these text elements. And then with the strip selected, we'll press layout and align to the left. And we'll just drag these over here to the right until it matches or lines up with the text above. Perfect. And just like before, let's make this paragraph text a light gray. And then we can bring up the strip here as well. And for this strip background, let's make this, we can make this blue or we can make it black. Which one looks better? I'm leaning more towards black. And then we can actually change these services names to the blue. And then the service descriptions to the light gray. And then we'll just bring up this section just like that. Here we'll do the same thing we did before. We'll convert some of the text over to the blue. Perfect. I already think this section already looks pretty good, so we're just going to move straight on from that. For this submit button here, we want it to match the button from above. So let's go into the design. We'll customize it. We'll go to fill. We'll change it to this lighter blue. We'll remove the border. Corners will be set to 100%. And then on hover, we want it to be the dark blue with no border. And the text needs to be white. And honestly, I think that already looks really, really good. Maybe we'll make this part blue. We'll see how that looks. Maybe we can actually make this one black. Change this to black. Convert this text to white. Over here, let's actually grab the form. Let's go to the design, customize design, input fields, border. We need to make this one white. Text, we'll make it white here as well. Thanks for submitting needs to be white here as well. Actually, we'll make this the dark gray. Then we'll grab the background and make this one black. And we need to change this one here as well. Okay. So if we take a look from the top, just after a few minutes, here is what our website is looking like. Honestly, I really do like this style. It's very simple, but everything looks really nice and consistent. So I actually really do like the way that this is laid out. Of course, I could spend a little bit more time and perfect every little piece of it, but for just basically putting this together in like 15 minutes, I think it looks pretty good. But that's basically gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix and Editor X content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.